I picked up these Step2 Atherton Square Planters while refreshing our patio, and they've been a really solid addition to the space. The first thing I noticed right out of the box is how sturdy they are. Even though they're plastic, they don't look or feel cheap at all. The onyx black color is clean and modern, and it works with pretty much any outdoor setup, either on a porch, patio, or entryway. I absolutely love the size, you guys. They're big enough to make a statement without being like overwhelming, and they're easy enough for me to move at the same time. They give plants plenty of room to grow. You can use them for flowers and greenery and everything that looks more polished once it's planted. You can even use it for artificial flowers and trees during the winter if you don't want to have to worry about maintaining or that upkeep, because these are going to look fabulous either way. If you do decide to plant flowers or trees, the drainage is well thought out. The water doesn't sit at the bottom, which helps keep the plants healthy and avoids the soggy soil issue. It's one of those details you don't think about until you've actually had planters that don't drain properly, which we have. We really appreciate how durable they are, though. They held up really well outside so far. They don't warp easy. And of course, like I said, they're easy for me to move around. The fact that they come as a 2-pack makes it easy to create a balanced look on either side of the door or along a walkway. Overall, these planters are simple, they're practical, and they look great without needing a lot of fuss. If you want outdoor planters that are easy to work with and give your space a clean, finished look, these are a fabulous option.